Briefing through this project, we are once taught in engineering that if you want to measure a particular sense, maybe a particular thing, or let me say, if you want to sense something, the basic idea is to apply more than one sensors. So I'm going to be using 3 LDR. A very good example is if I come into a room and then I want to measure the temperature of the whole room, not necessarily at that exact point. What I do is to use as much temperature sensor as possible so that I can be able to measure it off. So here basically I'll be using LDR sensor, and in this LDR sensor what it basically does is it measures brightness. So it's pointing at if you look at it, pointing at 3 different angles, and the basic idea of what I did was whenever it is dim, it will turn blue light. It is dim, so let's check it well. So dim. So whenever it is dark, it will turn red light. So dim is what? Green light. So whenever it is dark, it is red light. And whenever we have it bright, that is when we have a bright light, it is simply green light. So basically, let me start the project now. So the project is currently running, so it's dim. So we're having our green light. So let me try and cover up the LDR and see the changes. You could see. Let me cover it off so we could see that there's an you could see red light telling us that the temperature, the brightness is below the normal range at which I set it at. And also, okay, so let me try and on the light and see. So because the light is very bright, you will see changes here. So currently it's it has changed. So at bright, and we could see it's blue color. So now let's move it down to the highest light. So what I will do is let me carry the light with me and then go to the LDR safe. You will see changes. It will change down to yellow. Okay, so let me off it now. Okay, so we could see from here.